Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how I get paid $5,664 week with YouTube without posting or making any videos. So let's get started. So first of all, I have just used Kera. So click Kera. So Kera is a marketing site automation platform. So here I've made a funnel. Okay. So here I make a funnel. So we can just click on here as our Gmail. So for this video I'm using a temporary Gmail, so you can just refresh it. If it works then fine. Hmm. So I can just create an account here. You can just copy this confirmation link and paste it here. So here we have to give a name. So our name for this video is Elara and a password is hidden, I'm not telling. So you can register. Simply you can see my dashboard here. So this dashboard doesn't show my clicker, so I will click on the funnel. So I have to create a funnel. So what is a funnel? I will make, like, for example, I'm like here searching YouTube. So in YouTube I will take a random video. For example, uh, like I'm taking top 10 uh, top 10 gadgets or top 10 songs. Okay, let us take top 10 gadgets. So here, for example, I am just taking as for example, if I'm taking as this, okay, unseen unseen gadgets. So I'm taking this. So I will simply create a new funnel. So in the funnel, the product or services will be here as my. So I will just collect the leads. So I'm just collecting the leads and build the email. So here is our name. So name is a YouTube title. Okay. So the funnel name will be YouTube title. So like create. So it could not be a greater word than 50 words. So we'll erase some words like 999. This much is okay. So we'll like collect leads. So we'll collect the leads and their Gmail, and then uh, we can just make our leads from here. So we'll click as sales and status not. So we can just see. So we can just make this. I select the lead capture. So we will select this. So here is the pathway that we're making. So let us make as here as YouTube title that we made. So top 10 cool gadgets is okay. So we can make like this. So create next step. So we can just create a next step. We can just pop up as our page. Okay. So automation, here is a sales instruct. So we can just click to our URL path and we can just see from our private web. So save this configuration. So we'll save this configuration. So as you can see here, my funnel is ready. In this way, so you can see my funnel is ready. So I will uh, upload the video that I was seeing there. So I will just click here at automation sales. So here two steps are remaining. Sorry, two visitors are there that I visited from my PC only. So here we can just edit the page content. So here we have video. So in this video we are producer YouTube. on YouTube. We have a link also to upload. We can just upload the link as YouTube ID, video ID. We have to just copy this link and we can just paste it here, and here we can just save it. So we can just save the changes, so we can just reload it in our incognito mode. So here you can see it's actually not coming, it will come like later. So here my shelf is ready. So here I will like upload my logo and do all editing as per uh, my video is. Then I have to go to like Facebook group, WhatsApp group, and I will share the link to everyone that are interested in the tech or the gadget stuff. I will share the links and all the detail. Then I will uh, like collect their Gmail, and then I will like collect their Gmail and I will target them. Okay, what I will target? The product, or I can just sell the courses. Like you can sell online business academy course. So here you can see as online business academy. So you can just see not this, online business academy.com. Yes, this one, I think so. Yes, this one. So this online business academy.com gives us affiliate, and this is like trusted also. So let's scroll down. At the last we can just see as we have affiliate program, so we'll click on that. So here we can just do like click on join. So in join, like here they give us a 20% commission. So you have to give your full name, then email, and verify your account, and you just click on let's go, and your account is created, and you can just promote your courses from here. So this is how you can just earn $5,664 a week. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.